everyone. Welcome to the Earth Geological Zone. I am Kamakshi Banjari from BSc second year. Hope you all guys are doing well. And this video is going to be more interesting. And the topic is geological time scale. It is very basic and very important for the geology. Okay, so let's get started. So first is the geological time scale. अब जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल मतलब होता क्या है, उसकी एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन क्या है. सो द जीटीएस इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ क्रोनोलॉजिकल डेटिंग दैट रिलेट्स जियोलॉजिकल स्ट्राटा टू टाइम. ओके, सो फर्स्ट देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज क्रोनोलॉजिकल डेटिंग एंड व्हाट इज स्ट्राटा टू टाइम. सो सबसे पहले बता दूं कि स्ट्राटा टू टाइम मतलब होता है स्ट्राटिग्राफी. और स्ट्रैटिग्राफी में हम पढ़ते हैं रॉक्स के डिफरेंट लेयर्स, मतलब द स्टडी ऑफ डिफरेंट लेयर्स ऑफ रॉक. ओके, सो स्ट्रैटिग्राफी में डिफरेंट रॉक्स की लेयर्स पढ़ी जाती है और उसी लेयर्स में उनके फॉसिल्स और सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को समझते हुए उनके ऊपर क्रोनोलॉजिकल डेटिंग की जाती है. सो क्रोनोलॉजिकल डेटिंग करने के बाद उन्हें एक ब्रैकेट्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है और जिससे कि उनकी जियोलॉजिकल एज बताई जाती है. अब ये बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन हमें पता चल गई है जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल के बारे में. सो नाउ जस्ट लुक एट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल एंड वेरियस डिविजन्स. सो जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल में सबसे ऊपर और ब्रॉड क्लासिफिकेशन किया गया है जिसमें है इयॉन्स, इरास, पीरियड एंड इपॉक्स. सो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं इयॉन से. और इयॉन में सबसे पुराना ये है हैडन, देन है आर्केन, प्रोटेरोजोइक एंड फेनेरोजोइक. सो फेनेरोजोइक में सबसे पुराना पीरियड था कैम्ब्रियन. सो उसके पहले के सभी इयॉन्स को एक साथ कहा जाता है प्री कैम्ब्रियन एंड उसके बाद फेनेरोजोइक. और इस इयॉन से हमें बहुत मतलब है क्योंकि हम अभी इस इयॉन में रह रहे हैं. इसमें है पैलियोजोइक, मेसोजोइक एंड सिनोजोइक. तो हमने इयॉन्स में पढ़ा था कि हैडन, आर्केन एंड प्रोटेरोजोइक इसको हम कहते हैं प्री कैम्ब्रियन. तो ये था इट इज फेमस फॉर द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. नेक्स्ट इज पीरियड्स एंड इन पीरियड स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द ओल्डेस्ट वन कैम्ब्रियन. It is roughly started about the 560 million year ago, and in this Cambrian period, sudden increase in the diversity of animals. Next is Ordovician. It is roughly started about 500 million years, and in this period, algae and fungi are found. Next is Silurian period. It is roughly started about 435 million years, and it's famous for the corals. Devonian. It is roughly started about 410 million years ago, and in this period there are the emergence of amphibians. Next is Carboniferous. It is roughly started about 360 million years ago, and it is a very important period because in this period there are the emergence of reptiles. And last there is Permian. It is roughly started about 290 million years, and in this period dominance of reptiles. After this there is Triassic period. It is roughly started about 240 million years ago, and in this period frog and turtle seal. In Jurassic period it is roughly started about 205 million years ago, and it is famous for the dinosaurs. Next is Cretaceous. Cretaceous periods started about 138 million years ago, and it is famous for the extinction of dinosaur. And next, Tertiary and Quaternary. So next is Epoch. So started from the oldest one. There is Paleocene. It is roughly started about 63 million years ago, and it's famous for and in this epoch mammals started originating. After this there is Eocene epoch. It is 55 million years ago and is famous for rabbits. After this Oligocene epoch, it is roughly started about 38 million years ago and known for and known for horse, cat, camels, etc. After this, there is Miocene epoch. It is roughly started about 24 million years ago, and it is famous for flowering plants. After this, there is Pliocene epoch. It is roughly started about 5 million years ago, and it is very important because in this epoch the first human ancestor was found. Okay. After this, there is Pleistocene epoch. It is roughly started about 2 million years ago, and it is known for the Homo sapiens. Okay. After this, and the latest one is the Holocene. It is 10,000 years ago, and it is known for the modern man. Okay. Now you can clearly see here the whole geological time scale, which is divided into eon, eras, period, and epochs. Eon divided into Hadean, Archean, and Proterozoic, and together we called it Precambrian. And Phanerozoic. Okay, then era classified into Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic, and this era classified into certain periods. Then Paleozoic era classified into periods like Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. Mesozoic contain some periods like Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Then Cenozoic contain periods like Paleogene, Neogene, and together we called it Tertiary period and Quaternary. And this Cenozoic era and Quaternary and Tertiary period contain some epochs, which is the Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, and Pliocene, and Pleistocene, and Holocene. So the next is how we can remember this whole geological time scale. So don't bother about it. I'll give some mnemonics by which you can easily remember this whole geological time scale. So here is the first mnemonic. Please pay my child. So P से आएगा Precambrian, B A से आएगा Paleozoic, M से आएगा Mesozoic, and C से आएगा Cenozoic. And this is how we can remember the eras of the time scale. So second mnemonic is camels often sit down carefully, perhaps their joint creak. So C A से आएगा Cambrian, O से आएगा Ordovician, S से आएगा Silurian, D से आएगा Devonian, and CAR से आएगा Carboniferous, P से आएगा Permian, T से आएगा Tertiary, and J से आएगा Jurassic, and CR से आएगा Cretaceous. So next mnemonic is put eggs on my plate, please honey. So P से आएगा Paleocene, E से आएगा Eocene, O से आएगा Oligocene, and M से आएगा Miocene. Again P से आएगा Pliocene, and PL से आएगा Pleistocene, and H से आएगा Holocene. And this is how we can remember the epochs of the Cenozoic era. Thanks for watching and hope you all like it. And if you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.